In today's time, cryptocurrency has become a revolution. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin, people are using it for investment and trading. If you also want to know what crypto is, how it works, and how you can make money from it, then this video is for you. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency based on blockchain technology. It is decentralized, meaning no government or bank has control over it. Transactions are stored on a public ledger known as the blockchain, making them secure and transparent. If you find anything difficult to understand, feel free to comment and I will clarify your doubts. The first and most popular cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, often referred to as BTC, introduced in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. After that, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have emerged, such as Ethereum, or ETH, which is used for smart contracts and decentralized apps; Solana, known as SOL, which is known for fast transactions and low fees; Dogecoin, or Doge, a meme coin that gained popularity due to Elon Musk; and of course, XRP, Litecoin, Cardano, and many more. How does cryptocurrency work? Crypto operates on a peer-to-peer system. When a transaction takes place, it is stored on the blockchain network. This process is called mining, where complex mathematical problems are solved to verify transactions. For example, if A sends Bitcoin to B, then first, the transaction is recorded on the blockchain network. Second, miners verify the transaction. Third, a new block is created and added to the blockchain. Finally, Bitcoin reaches B's wallet. This process is decentralized, meaning no bank or third party is involved. So how do you make money with crypto? Well, there are multiple ways to earn from the crypto market. One of the most popular methods is trading. You can engage in both short-term and long-term trading, depending on your strategy and goals. If you want to invest long-term, you can buy strong cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Many investors hold crypto for 5 to 10 years following the HODL, or hold on for dear life strategy. If you own crypto assets, you can stake them to earn passive income. It works like a fixed deposit where your coins help maintain blockchain operations and you receive rewards in return. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are digital assets that exist on the blockchain. They are unique and are used in art, music, gaming, and virtual real estate. People make money by buying and selling NFTs. Games like Axie Infinity, Decentraland, and The Sandbox allow players to earn real cryptocurrency through blockchain-based gaming. While crypto offers great profit opportunities, it also comes with risks. Here are some key points to remember. The crypto market is highly volatile. Bitcoin's price can change by 10 to 20% in a single day, making it a high-risk investment. Phishing scams involve fake websites and emails that trick users into revealing their seed phrase or private key. Pump and dump schemes create hype around a coin through fake news or influencers and then dump it. Ponzi schemes are fake investment plans that promise high returns. Crypto is legal in some countries but banned in others. Regulations in India are still unclear. The future of crypto looks promising because Bitcoin ETF approvals are happening. Big companies like Tesla, Microsoft, and PayPal are accepting crypto. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing financial systems. However, always do your own research before investing and never invest without understanding the risks. Cryptocurrency is the new financial system that offers high rewards with high risks. If you follow the right strategy and research well, you can earn money from crypto, but it's very important to stay cautious of scams and market risks. If you found this video helpful, share it and comment below if you want me to cover more topics related to crypto. If you are using crypto, having knowledge about wallets and security is crucial. Types of crypto wallets. Hot wallets, online wallets. These wallets are connected to the internet and are easily accessible. Examples: MetaMask for Ethereum-based assets, Trust Wallet, Exodus Wallet, Binance and Coinbase wallets. Cold wallets, offline wallets. These wallets are disconnected from the internet, making them highly secure. Examples: Ledger Nano X, Trezor Model T paper wallets. Security tips. Keep your seed phrase safe. Never share your 12 or 24-word seed phrase with anyone. If lost, your entire crypto could be gone. Avoid phishing websites. Always use wallets and exchanges from official websites. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. If you want to buy or sell crypto, you need to use a trusted exchange. Top crypto exchanges. Binance, the world's largest exchange, offers low fees. Coinbase is beginner-friendly but has high fees. Kraken is secure and well-established. KuCoin, OKX, and Bybit are popular for trading. WazirX, CoinDCX, and ZebPay are popular exchanges in India. If you want to earn money through mining, it's important to understand the process. Bitcoin mining is a process where powerful computers, ASIC miners, solve complex mathematical problems to generate new bitcoins. Mining is highly competitive and requires high electricity costs. After China banned mining, the USA and Kazakhstan became top mining hubs. Other crypto mining. Besides Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies can also be mined, such as Litecoin, LTC, Monero, XMR, Zcash, ZEC. Ethereum ETH mining is no longer possible as it has shifted to proof-of-stake POS. If you can't mine, cloud mining services are also available. Is crypto legal? Crypto legality varies from country to country. In the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, crypto is legal with tax regulations. In India, crypto is legal but regulations are unclear. A 30% tax and TDS apply. In China, crypto trading and mining are banned. Dubai, Singapore, El Salvador, these are crypto-friendly countries. Tip: always check your country's regulations before investing in crypto. Crypto is not just for trading and investment but has real-world use cases too. International payments. Bitcoin and USDT are widely used for cross-border transactions. DeFi, decentralized finance. A banking alternative offering loans, lending, and staking. Metaverse and gaming, crypto-based virtual worlds like Decentraland, Sandbox, Axie Infinity. Smart contracts, automated contracts on Ethereum, Solana, and other networks. If you're a beginner, follow this safe and simple process. Learn about crypto. Understand Bitcoin, blockchain, and crypto basics. Choose an exchange. Open an account on Binance, Coinbase, or CoinDCX. Set up a wallet. Install Trust Wallet or MetaMask and keep your seed phrase safe. Start with a small investment. Invest $10 to $50 or $100 to $1,000 first. Manage risks. Follow the 50-50 rule, invest half, save half. Crypto is a financial revolution that could change banking, investing, and payments in the future. If you enter the market with proper knowledge and risk management, you can benefit in the long term. Important: always do your own research and avoid hype or scams. If you found this guide helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Crypto and AI integration, AI-powered blockchain projects. AI and blockchain together are shaping the future by improving decentralization, automation, and security. AI-powered crypto trading bots. AI-based trading bots automate buying and selling in the fast-moving crypto market. Examples include 3, an AI-based trading bot for automated trades, Crypto Hopper, where AI analyzes market trends, and PionX, featuring free crypto bots operating 24/7. So, let's talk about the benefits of AI trading bots. First up, they enable faster decision-making, which is, well, pretty crucial in the fast-paced world of trading. They also offer better risk management, helping you navigate the market with more confidence. And perhaps most importantly, they provide emotion-free trading, which can be a game-changer for many traders. Moving on to AI for fraud detection and security. AI plays a pivotal role in detecting fraud and scams in blockchain transactions. For instance, tools like Elliptic and Chainalysis are instrumental in tracking money laundering and fraud. Another example is CipherTrace, which uses AI to monitor suspicious crypto activity. These tools are really making a difference in keeping the crypto space safer. Now, let's dive into AI and smart contracts. AI has the potential to make smart contracts more intelligent and self-learning. This means that smart contracts can become even more efficient and reliable, adapting to new conditions without needing constant human intervention. It's a fascinating development in the world of blockchain technology. AI and DeFi, or decentralized finance, are transforming the financial landscape. AI can optimize DeFi activities like lending, borrowing and staking on platforms such as Aave and Compound. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI suggests the best interest rates, making financial decisions more efficient. Yearn Finance is another fascinating example where AI automates DeFi investment strategies. This automation helps investors maximize their returns with minimal effort, leveraging the power of AI to navigate complex financial markets. Bitcoin's $100,000 prediction has captured the imagination of many. Bitcoin reached an all-time high of $69,000 in November 2021. Many experts believe it could hit $100,000 by 2025 to 2026. This optimistic outlook is partly due to the Bitcoin halving event in 2024, which reduces supply and, in turn, increases the price. Institutional adoption is on the rise. Companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and PayPal are actively investing in cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin ETFs could significantly boost demand for cryptocurrencies. There are several challenges facing the cryptocurrency market. Regulations from countries like China, India, and the USA pose significant hurdles. Additionally, market volatility remains a key concern. Competition from altcoins, Ethereum, Solana, etc. Altcoins with growth potential. Ethereum ETH, smart contracts leader. Solana, Sol fastest blockchain. Polygon, Matic, Ethereum scaling. Chainlink, Link, best for smart contract data. AI crypto coins, the Graph, Fetch. AI, Singularity Net. Performance comparison. Crypto high growth but highly volatile. Stocks, stable and predictable. Gold, safe but slow growth. Volatility and risk. In the world of crypto, you might see price swings of plus 50% or minus 50% in just a month. Stocks, on the other hand, tend to move around 5 to 10% based on economic conditions. Gold is the least volatile and is often considered the safest during crises. Liquidity, or how quickly you can buy and sell assets, is another important factor. Crypto offers the fastest transactions with 24/7 trading. Stocks are limited to market hours. Gold, however, is slower and requires physical selling. The best investment strategy: diversification. 60% stocks, 30% crypto, 10% gold. Balanced risk and returns. Crypto, stocks, and gold all have pros and cons. For high risk, high reward crypto. For stability and steady growth, stocks. For long-term safety, gold. Diversification is key. If you found this analysis helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more valuable